right, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. This is a part 5 video answering the test question. If you set the circumference and area of a circle equal to each other, what is the diameter? And I told you I'd find a much quicker, easier way for you to find the solution to that answer. And I'm also going to give you some hints and suggestions on how to do an internet search. All right. So again, we got pi times r squared is equal to 2 times pi r. These two terms are attached through multiplication. 2 times pi r. So couldn't I divide or do the inverse to both sides of the equal sign? Couldn't I divide pi r on the right side of the equal sign as long as I do the same? Divide pi r to the left side of the equal sign? Yes, I absolutely can. The one thing that's going to be a little bit tricky is that r squared. But if you know your quotient rules, 2 minus 1 is 1. If you don't know your quotient rules, you can write this out pi times r, right? Because r squared is r times r, like I showed you earlier. Right, and that's going to help. Let me just show that to you here and now. Pi, I'll bring it down a little bit more without giving anything away. All right, so pi r squared is pi times r times r. Okay, and again, 2 times pi times r is 2 times pi times r. Now I'm dividing pi r to both sides of the equal sign. So what's pi r over pi r? Anything over itself? It's 1. What's 1 times 1? It's 1. What's 1 times 2? Okay, and we have pi r divided into pi r. Let me just show that to you here. R. Again, if I'm going too fast, please stop, pause, or rewind the video. So this is written on expanded form. Pi over pi is 1. R over r is 1. I'm left with 2 times 1 times 1, which is just 2. Equals pi over pi is 1, r over r is 1, 1 times r is r, 1r by itself. I feel like a pirate. I should be in the Caribbean. Okay, so I'm showing you that here now. Anything over itself is 1, so I'm left with r equals 2. And again, 1 times r is r, 2 times 1 is 2. And just like before, our radius is 2, r equals 2. If you want to find the diameter, you multiply the radius times itself. 2 times 2 gives you 4. The answer for this test question is 4 meters. The answer is D. The answer is D. So again, in order to find the diameter, you multiply the radius times itself. 2 times 2 equals 4. All right, so here are some, I told you I would give it to you. Here are some search engines you can use, in order to practice your new skills. If this is all new to you, please conduct the following internet search, right? Practice problems with answers on. You want the answers because you want to know if you're doing it right or wrong. If you're doing it wrong, look at your step. Each step you take, find your mistake. That'll make you better at math. It'll make you stronger. Mistakes are the golden road to knowledge. Don't be afraid to make them, okay? So put in practice problems with answers on simplifying exponents using quotient rule of exponents. Solving 1 and 2 step equations. You can also include multiple step equations in that search. You'll get all 3. Compare ratio versus diameter. Understanding area versus circumference of a circle. If I've gone too fast for you there, please stop, pause, rewind the video. Thank you for joining me. Math is easy. Take it step by step. I'm going to continue to bring you these GED and HiSET math test questions. If I've helped you, please help me to help others. Like, follow, share, subscribe.